Hello everyone, this is Summer and welcome back to my channel. On this channel you'll find book reviews, book vlogs, book shopping, everything involving books, and I also occasionally do Kindle reviews, tech reviews, and read tarot once a month just because I started as a tarot channel and I want to stay true to my roots for the people who subscribed just to see that happen. I'm about to film my monthly wrap up with a bunch of books. You can't even see the top of the stack here, but I'm going to do that. But I wanted to go ahead and do a Kindle sticker refresh because some of them are actually falling down and they're not really sticking as well as they were. They've been in here for almost a year now. So I have some new stickers and I even have some more on the way, so I'll have to make room for them. But I got these from Awfully Nerdy Co. on Etsy. They sent me this really cool bookmark and I accidentally bent it because I was trying to hide the code so no one would see the whole code. But I got these stickers from their shop that they created for One Dark Window. If you haven't read One Dark Window, it was one of the first books that I read this year and it is still sticking with me. So these are just some of the things that you see in there. And look at these sparkles on all of them, if you can see it in the sunlight. These are like part of the magic system. One Dark Window has one of the coolest magic systems I've ever seen, especially as someone who reads tarot. This was just really special. We've got this little raven, and then we have just the spines of the books, which I think are so cute and so special, and they're also sparkly. So I'm going to go ahead and take things out of here and rearrange them in my Kindle a little bit. And then I'm going to kind of tape things down. I've got some tape over here. And I also have this cute little pop socket with a stand. This just says one more chapter. It actually pulls right off and it has a little magnetic sticker. So if I don't want the pop socket on there, then it's just my regular Kindle. But if I do want it, it is right there. And it also folds out into like this cute little stand. So love that. Makes it super easy to read and you can kind of adjust the angle a little bit. Awesome. So let's go ahead, let's pull the pop socket off just to make life easy while I'm working with the case. I'm gonna try not to disturb these too much, but let's do a little sticker refresh and I'll explain all these other ones as well as I'm figuring out how I want to put them back in here. And this is just a clear case. I'll link it below in case you're interested. And then I stuck this little magnetic sticker that makes it MagSafe, which I will also link below. So nothing terribly special, just this little case. It does seem to be kind of getting a little bit yellowish from the sun, but I don't really mind because you can't tell when you have the green underneath. This is the Kindle Paperwhite in agave green. Okay, it's been almost a year since I've seen my Kindle just without anything on it. I do love how on this Paperwhite, it's really like a matte feeling. It feels really cool. It's so cute. It's almost like having a brand new Kindle, just doing this little sticker refresh. So let's see where I can place some things and I will talk about where I got these. And as you'll notice, I really just stuck these on here. I didn't peel the backs off of any of them and permanently stick them down because when I first decorated, I wasn't sure if that's how I wanted it to stay. I just kind of leave them and that way I can rearrange them and they're not stuck to the back of my Kindle forever. I know some people stick them to the case, might just use a little bit of tape and stick them down. We'll see. This actually honestly stuck down quite well for a while. So we'll see what happens here. It's the little ones that slide though. So we've got some Fourth Wing here. I bought these right after I read Fourth Wing before Iron Flame even came out. We have some Crescent City ones, and I have one more Crescent City on the way. This one I just loved because I feel like Starborn has such special meaning to it. And then this one just reminded me of Danica and Bryce, and I love the hair clip and light it up. I also have some Throne of Glass and some Akatar. I really love Nesta. I grew to love her, so I love this one. And of course, I love Aelin, so it's just good to remember you do not yield. Then I've just got like some basic book stickers. I love this little find, but I'm bringing my book. Same with this one. These ones just came off of Amazon. Then I've got this little Lord of the Rings one that someone actually sent me from Etsy for free with something else. I think it was actually this one. This Elvish one. I think that this was sent in the same thing for free and I just really loved it because I love Lord of the Rings. And that is it for now. So let's go ahead and see if I can place these kind of back where they were, but in a better, more organized fashion where they're not all gonna fall apart. Okay, this is such a dangerous game of moving things around. For now, I think I like this. I know that some people would find this to be a little bit too cluttered, but I honestly like the look of filled in space. So I kind of like just knowing what's on here and seeing some of them poke out a little bit and being able to see them in the background. I might have to redo some of them, but we'll see. For now, I think I like this. Now I've played with it so much that they're like, some of them are underneath, some of them are over top. So I'm just gonna stick this back on and see how we do. I know some of them are inevitably going to move and shift a little bit. Let's see how careful I can be. Okay, that actually looks pretty darn good, I think. I like it. And even if you can't see all, like every single one of the stickers, at least I know what they are. So I kind of love it. And then unfortunately the little raven is gonna get covered when I do that, but it's okay. I do take the pop socket off quite a bit. And then I had to leave room for just the other couple of stickers that I have coming. I'm gonna try and maybe see if I can figure out how to put these in there at some point, but I am again waiting for a couple more stickers. So I think I might put one right there. I might put one over top, but I kind of like having the dragon be the focus on here. There's a weird little tab right there that I'm gonna have to fix and probably put my new sticker over when it arrives in the mail, but it's not supposed to get here for a few weeks. So I will update all of you when that sticker shows up. And here is my refreshed Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition in agave green with the new stickers. Go ahead and comment below what your favorite sticker is, because I'm just curious to see what everyone's favorite is and what you would buy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in another video.